Drone racing has rapidly emerged as one of the most electrifying and visually stunning sports in recent years. Picture this: custom-built drones zooming through intricate courses at breakneck speeds, guided by skilled pilots wearing first-person view (FPV) goggles. It's a sport that combines precision, speed, and the sheer thrill of flight. So remember to like and subscribe to the channel before we get into how it all began. Did you know that FPV drone racing is on track to become the next big esport in the world? Today, we're diving into the exhilarating realm of drone racing, where high-speed maneuvers and cutting-edge technology come together to create a spectacle like no other. The roots of drone racing can be traced back to the early 2010s when hobbyists began modifying and racing small-scale drones. What started as an underground community soon gained momentum, and the first organized events took place in parking lots and open fields. These early races laid the groundwork for what would eventually become a global phenomenon. These races were a far cry from the professional circuits we see today, but they laid the foundation for the evolution of the sport. As technology advanced, so did the capabilities of these racing machines. Speaking of technology, let's talk about the heart of drone racing: the drones themselves. These aren't your average off-the-shelf drones. No, these are purpose-built racing machines, meticulously designed for speed and agility. Drone enthusiasts often build their own racing drones, selecting specific components to achieve the perfect balance of speed, maneuverability, and durability. From lightweight frames to powerful motors and advanced flight controllers, these machines are a testament to the marriage of engineering and aerodynamics. When it comes to drone racing, speed is crucial, but it's not just about raw power. The balance between weight and power is essential. Pilots aim for a high thrust-to-weight ratio, allowing the drone to accelerate rapidly and navigate tight turns with precision. Additionally, the use of FPV cameras and goggles provides pilots with a real-time view, putting them right in the cockpit of their drones. Drone racing isn't just about pushing a joystick forward, it's about making split-second decisions, anticipating the next turn, and maintaining control at blistering speeds. Pilots often train for hours, honing their skills in simulator programs before taking to the skies for real races. Drone racing demands a unique skill set. It's not just about flying, it's about strategy, quick decision-making, and adapting to unexpected obstacles. Physical fitness plays a role too, as racing for extended periods can be physically demanding. But the rush you get when you're weaving through obstacles at high speeds is unparalleled. Drone racing tracks are a sight to behold, filled with challenging obstacles, hairpin turns, and high-speed straights. The races are not only a test of the pilot's skills, but also a showcase of the capabilities of their finely tuned racing machines. Whether it's a neon-lit night race or a daytime event with drones zipping through forests and around buildings, each race is a visual spectacle. The courses are designed to push pilots to their limits, with elevated gates, tight tunnels, and daring dives adding an extra layer of excitement. However, before flying through elaborate obstacle courses, the people who are now professional drone racing pilots practice tricks and maneuvers in places they thought looked cool or had challenging architecture. This is the essence of FPV freestyle. While drone racing consists of completing an obstacle race course as quickly as possible, FPV freestyle entails navigating tight corners, under trees, around obstacles, and through small openings while performing tricks. Pilots must do all of this while understanding their spatial positioning to avoid hitting the ground during a power loop or clipping a race gate. Drone racing has transcended its grassroots origins to become a global phenomenon. Major leagues and competitions have emerged, attracting top-tier talent and substantial sponsorship deals. Let's take a look at some of the biggest names and events in the world of drone racing. From the Drone Racing League, DRL, to the International Drone Racing Association, IDRA, World Championship, these events draw competitors from around the globe. The fierce competition and incredible skill on display have turned drone racing into a legitimate and highly entertaining sport. And there you have it, folks, the world of drone racing, where technology, skill, and adrenaline converge to create a breathtaking spectacle. From the DIY races in open fields to the global competitions with top-tier pilots, drone racing has come a long way. If you haven't experienced the thrill of a drone race yet, I highly recommend checking out a local event or tuning into one of the major leagues. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Like and subscribe to the channel to keep getting more such thrilling videos. Until next time, happy flying!